Did you ever notice that in an IKEA store it's full of bookshelves? That might not be so strange, because books, writing is a part of the legacy. And in Sweden, the average of reading every day is 30 minutes. And it might not be a wonder that IKEA is really good on bookshelves. And the most famous one is Billy. And 20,000 bookshelves of Billy is produced every single day. And in 2019 we celebrated the 40 years birthday with a special limited collection in yellow. But although it's not just a bookcase, it's also a place for storing your glassware, your pictures, or any special piece of yours. But if you love reading, IKEA has a lot of different bookshelves, and Billy is one of them. There you can store your books. Bokhylla, bokhylla, bokhylla.